My name is Dinesh Khanna. I am the chairman of the company Khanna Hotels Private Limited, who has been in hotels and are in hotels in Bombay, Mumbai, Goa, and a club in Mumbai. The hotel has been developed at Kasaragod, North Kerala, which is part of the Malabar region, and 64 from Mangalore Airport and about 82 from the new Kannur Airport. So we have two airports where the guests can come, besides driving from various cities like Mangalore and elsewhere in the country. It's a Taj Bekal Resort was developed and conceptualized in the year 2008 to 2009 and opened in 2011. And Taj Hotels and Resorts are managing the hotel and were instrumental when the hotel was being designed at that time. The designers were Ground Kent Associates from Perth and Bali, and the landscape was done by award-winning designers Made Vijaya Associates, also from Bali. The Kerala government, on the recommendation of UNESCO, had identified Bekal as a futuristic area and very much part of the Malabar region of Kerala, which is as luscious and green and backwater as the South Kerala. So they wanted North Kerala to develop. So besides us, there are many other hotels being planned, being built. We were the first ones, and keeping the future in mind, and considering that its proximity to Mangalore and Guruk and other destinations. That's why we decided for this destination. The people didn't know Bekal, so it was a task for the marketing department and us to work with Kerala Tourism Department, which we work very closely, and they give us a lot of good support, and BRDC, to establish first Bekal as a resort, Bekal as a destination, and then there's Bekal Fort. There's some lovely sanctuaries for the birds, and of course some temples, etc. Also Shiv temples are there in that area. So we were able to establish. In addition, we are fortunate there's excellent backwater runs through the property. So people who are visiting or staying there get many views. They get garden view, they get sea view, they get backwater view. And because it's isolate and it's 28 acres of land, we get lots of birds early morning and others. So very natural environment which we are hoping it continues. We've got some peacocks on the site. They come in the mornings and afternoons. So we have a natural environment for them. The Kerala government has provided a lot of support to us, especially the Department of Tourism and also BRDC. But more needs to be done to improve and have a sound and light show in the Bekal Fort, and also some crafts of Kerala. The paintings of Kerala from different parts are there, so the local people can come and open centers, because there will be more tourists coming back and forth, so they can get advantage to get and enjoy the true art and culture of Kerala, the dances, the food that is from different parts of Kerala. You'll be surprised that there are amount of variety of cuisines from different parts of Kerala. So southern part, west, east, all that.